Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Keith Abel, and I want to show you this beautiful 242 Cobalt 2012. What a fantastic and well-maintained boat. Boat does come with a trailer. It's 24 feet. Has a beautiful sun top. Tandem axle trailer, galvanized bunk. As we come around to the transom, we have this really neat step-up swim platform. It does fold up for when you are cruising, so it won't be down when you're running the boat, but it's very convenient for when you're doing water sports to get on and off the boat. Beautiful sun pad in the back for lounging. As we enter the transom door, you'll see a lot more seating for family, friends. This boat does the cruising, the water sports, fishing. You could trailer it. Such a great boat. The seating is amazing. It does come with a Garmin GPS chart plotter, Sony stereo. As we move forward to the bow area, a lot of nice room up forward. And then we do have a nice compartment in here, which is actually your head. There's a bunch of rugs and carpet, but a little bit more storage and a place to use the bathroom. For more information on this beautiful 242 Cobalt 2012, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.